Happy birthday, my father, Apostle Joseph Suleiman. I am Evangelist PAULINUS UGOCHUKWU, the President, Alaba International Market, and Chairman, Samples International Company on Evolis. My father, I want to use this occasion to congratulate you as you mark your birthday. My father, I want to tell you that you are a joy and a blessing to our generation. My father, for me to know you have added more speech to my business, to my family, to everything that I'm doing. My father, since you have stepped your leg in Alaba International Market, the Alaba International Market has never remained the same. The glory of Alaba has been restored. The people are set free. There is prosperity, there is peace. My father, my prayer to you as you are going over the world preaching the word of God, my God will renew your strength day by day as an echo. I pray that at the end of the day, heaven will be the reward of you and your family. Once again, I say congratulations, my father. Happy birthday.